Now let's see some more shortkeys of Microsoft Word. First of all, if I want to put this heading on the center, then I can either go to home and align center or press Ctrl E, and after that if you want to increase the size of the heading, I can just simply hold Ctrl and straight bracket. So you can increase the size of it and press Ctrl B to bold. Now if I want to capitalize this whole heading, all of the letters should show in capital. I'll just select it and we can go to home, and under this area change case, I can change to sentence case, lowercase in which all are small, uppercase in which all the in which the text is capital. Capitalize each word means starting letter of each word will be capital. Toggle case is a mix of capital and small, so let me just change to lowercase. But if I want to change this with a short key, I'll just select the text and then hold the shift key and press F3. Shift F3 is the short key. So let's press shift F3. You can notice that it changes to capitalize each word. Then again press shift F3. It changes to capital. Shift F3 changes to small. So it can change cases as you press shift F3 again and again. So this is a very important shortcut. Now sometimes it happens that you are reading a document and you want to highlight some key areas. For example, properties. You highlighted this text and go to home and mark that text as red. But similarly, many areas, many words I want to highlight same as this. So I don't need to select the word every time and then go to change the color. Once I've done with one word, I can just go in any word and press F4. What F4 does is it repeat last recorded action. So last recorded action means the work which I done recently. So this is a very useful shortcut. Now if you want to divide these two paragraphs into separate sections by creating a line, then many of us just hold dash and they make a dotted line like this. And if you want to make a continuous line, you just hold shift and underscore, just hold it and it will create a continuous line. But this is not very efficient method. The shortcut of creating a line is just press 3 time dashes and then press enter. It will automatically bring a continuous line. Now if I want to make this line a little thicker, I'll just undo it. Now to make a thick line, just hold shift and press 3 times underscore and then press enter. So you can notice that this line is a little thicker than the older one. Now let's undo it. I'll show you one other one. Now if I press 3 times hashes and then press enter, you can notice a designed line created on the screen. Let's press Ctrl Z. Now if I write 3 stars, that is steric sign, hold shift and 8 and then press enter, it will create a dotted line in a bolded form. So that's it. These are some useful shortkeys of Microsoft Word that you can use to efficiently work on the document.